Hi people, this is Jasondc55. This is my bike check. Mark, I don't know, it's just a new bike check. There we go. Same as before, 7.5 bars, bombshell, stealthy, 1.5. So I'm going to change this tyre, it's a little bit worn. 1.5 tyres, front and rear. Cleek stem, elite double XL frame. I'm going to change this, it's actually quite quirky. I'm going to put a Stay Strong seat on there. I've got a new pivotal seat post as well to put in, it's not arrived yet. DMR pedals, ODI road grips, 60mm creepy stem. That's it. Speaks for itself. One more thing I had to mention. The dimension, I checked the dimensions on this compared to the 2013. The front end seems to, it feels a little bit lighter than the 2013. The 2013's got a big bulky front end. The headsets, I was running a Chris King headset in the 2013 as well. This is just a standard 45/45 seal bearing headset, and the back end on these are actually a 1/4 inch shorter than the 2013. So hopefully it'll ride the same. No, I'm just waiting to sort my knee out. Got a bit of a dicky knee. I'm nearly 40 years old, so I'm getting a few aches and pains, but looking forward to getting on this beast and riding it like I styled it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Jason's Bike Check Part 4.